Dear traders and investors, welcome to try out Homely Chart mobile app. So how do we download this app is pretty simple. You can just go to App Store if you are an Apple user or simply go to Play Store if you are an Android user. Just search for Homely Chart and you will get a free trial of 7 days after you sign up using your mobile number. For those who are trading US shares, you need to contact your teacher who invited you to try out this mobile app because it requires our back office to enable the access to US market for you. Right? So after you log in, you'll get to see this page. The gold coin is actually for the members to purchase some other thing. So for non-members, you can actually just ignore it. Right. So in stock trading, we encourage to always look at index first, then only stocks. So in this mobile app itself, you actually get to see the index, and then in between, you're able to see all the stocks under the different sectors, then only to individual stocks. So how do we get there? Is simply just click onto the codes here, and then you get to this page. So for US traders, you'll see this HLCCMP. CCMP is actually the ticker code for Nasdaq index, right? So HLCCMP is the Homely Chart Modified Index, and it's only for reference. So HL actually stands for Homely. Okay, so beside the index here, we have these sectors. So once you click onto it, you'll get to see a whole list of different sectors here. So all the US shares under different sectors will be listed in the that particular sector itself. So let's say after you click to it, you will see. So on this day itself, the best performing sector is actually utilities. Then the second will be healthcare, and then at the bottom we have the worst performing sector of the day. Okay, so let's say if you wish to take a look at which shares are categorized under utilities, you can just click into it and then you'll get a whole list of shares. They are all under utilities, and then which are the best performing under utility sector and etc. Right. So how do you search for individual stocks? You can just simply click on this magnifying glass. But before that, do make sure that you choose the correct market. So if you are looking for US shares, you need to make sure that the flag here is the US flag. Other than that, if you wish to take a look at the Singapore shares, you can just click on this flag and then you search for the Singapore flag. Then you click on it to confirm. Then only you click on the magnifying glass. Otherwise, you cannot search for let's say Singapore or Hong Kong shares with the US flag here. Right. So after you get into you search for your stock, you can just type the name, or we call that the ticker code, right? Then yeah, you get to the preferred stocks, and then you can call out indicators from four different buttons, which are the C button here at the bottom, and then the H button, and then there's this one little money back here, and also the blue robot button here. So I believe all of you came to here because of MCD, multicolored dragon, right? So how to call out multicolored dragon is pretty simple. You can just click on the little money back here, and then you'll see this MCD here, and you click onto it, you'll get the multicolored dragon at the bottom. Okay, and then next we'll take a look at the C button here is actually where we call out all the classic indicators. So if for example, some of you might have been using MACD and etc. You can just call out these indicators over here. And then for the H button here is actually to call out some other homely unique indicators which are not publicly available out there. You can also try out to see if they help on the shares that you are holding. Right. Then lastly, for this blue robot button here is actually where we call the whole template of multi-color dragon, train expert, and deviation expert. So yeah, after you click on it, this window will pop up, and then you choose the three slots here, and then yeah, you'll be able to see all three indicators in one screen, which include train expert, deviation expert, and multi-color dragon. So yeah, if you wish to change to other language, you can actually go to the setting button here. So how do we get to the setting button here? Is pretty simple as well. Remember just now we have codes and etc. You just scroll to the right and you'll get to see these five other icons here. Then you can just click on setting, and then yeah, the language setting is over here. Or this clear cache is actually, let's say you face any lagging issue while trying out the software, you can come to the setting here and then clear cache. You help in smoothing out your software itself. Right. So that's all from me today. I hope you enjoy the mobile app. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.